Today we're in the billiard room of Urrbrae House, which was also the smoking room. This was the gentleman's domain where Peter Waite and his friends would come after dinner to play a game of billiards, smoke their pipes and possibly drink a glass or two of port. The room was actually designed to accommodate this massive table which weighs 3 tonnes, and as you can see the floor was reinforced with concrete pillars to bear the weight of the table. On the northwestern end of the room there is elevated seating so that the gentlemen of the day could sit and watch their opponents' shots on this table. The table was made in Melbourne by a firm called Adcock & Co, and in the northeastern corner you can see the original scoreboard that came with this billiard table. The room has beautiful ceiling papers by Oldham Heaton, the English designer who supplied the wallpapers for all of Urrbrae House.